Fireball 4-pack. These are a big ball shell rocket. I think these are all noise. We're gonna demo them out. Got a little bit of moisture in there because they're sitting out in the sun here with us, but we're gonna do them and then we're gonna compare them to a jungle rocket. You can see looks like the Fireball is a hair bigger, a little bit bigger. Fireball, let's do it. Those are loud. Wow, listen to that echo.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Jungle rocket. These are called jungle rockets / meet the neighbors.